In this video, I will tell you about the absolute top 2 ways to earn money in 2023. And the exciting part? It's still really early, especially for the first method. Forget about all the countless methods. These were the 2 that I found to be the best. And these folks are earning thousands of dollars every day. And the second way, it's the best for expanding, so keep watching the video till it's over. You want to make a little bit of extra cash? Okay, sweetie, I will share with you only 2 proven and tested methods. If you understand them and follow them in the right way, I promise you that you can make a lot of money. Like, really a lot.
Round 1.
I've made over $500,000 at 15 years old in just the last 6 months.
This kid has been pulling in hundreds of thousands of dollars each month just by following this method. It's also made me a lot of money, and the best part is, it's incredibly simple and doesn't require any equipment or initial capital to get started. You literally just need your phone.
Snapchat.
Yes, you can make a lot of money using Snapchat, and the best part is, it's not that competitive compared to YouTube. It's really easy, and your videos will go viral in no time. Imagine this. You won't have to worry about the YouTube algorithm hitting you in the head each time you publish. And you won't have to compete with the top creators in the universe, with millions of videos getting published daily. You just have to create some 30-second shorts and publish them. Try to publish at least twice a day for a good kickstart. And let me tell you, this method isn't as well known as YouTube and TikTok, so it's not that competitive at the moment. It's a great time to get in early before it becomes more challenging. The best part? You don't even have to make your own videos. You can simply copy and publish them to go viral. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show you exactly how I did it and started earning. The second method is the best way to get started, and believe me, it has brought in a lot of money for me right from the beginning. You might think it's difficult, and that it'll take a long time to make money this way. But that's not true at all. Trust me, it can make you money much faster than you realize. Some folks are earning thousands of dollars every day just by swapping things. They sell items like cars, equipment, and furniture without even having a dollar in their pockets. And you can do it too. Imagine opening a store where you can sell things not only to your neighbors, but also to people all around the universe. Plus, you don't need to think about paying for electricity or getting any special approvals. It's hassle-free. Search for websites that can supply your store, such as Alibaba. There are numerous websites where you can get products from. Then go ahead and create your store. You can build your own website just like I did, and my website is generating thousands of dollars each month. Alternatively, you can set up a store using Shopify. Now, what do I recommend? Creating your own website might be more challenging initially, but in the long term, it can be much more beneficial. However, there's nothing wrong with using Shopify. It's a great platform. Look for products that are in high demand. There are plenty out there. Try to find trending products. You can start marketing your products on social media platforms, and you'll be able to sell your products. Trust me, it's not as difficult as you might think.